Hello everyone, this is Sangeetha, Assistant Professor EC Department, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. So today I'm going to share few things about bus and bus interfaces. So this video covers what is meant by bus, what are the different types of buses available in the bus, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of bus, and what is bus clocking, and what are the types of buses. So all these topics are covered in this video. So first we will move discuss what is a bus. So bus is a group of wires. That is, a bus consists of a physical parts, that is like connectors and wires and a bus protocol. So so the the devices or components are connected through the buses. So the important thing is uh, insufficient bandwidth can bottleneck the entire system. So because the devices share a common set of wires, that is common set of bus, at any given time only one devices can send the data. So all devices simultaneously listen, but normally only one device receives. So only one device can be a bus master at a given time, and the remaining devices are slaves. So the bus master controls the bus and can either a sender or receiver. So the main advantage of using the device is to eliminate the need for connecting every device with every other device, which avoids the wiring complexity that would quickly dominate the cost of a system. So the main disadvantage is its slowdown introduced by the master slave configuration, the time involved in implementing a protocol, lack of scalability. So these are the disadvantages of using common bus. So So what are the devices connected to the bus is the main memory and a DMA controller, all, and IO devices are or all these devices are connected through bus. So next we will move on to the different types of buses. So basically the bus is classified into three types, that is address bus, data bus, and control bus. Address bus is used to transfer the address from microprocessor to access the data. So a microprocessor generates the address to access the data from memory, so it is unidirectional. And data bus is bidirectional because the data are transferred from memory to microprocessor and vice versa. And control bus is used to transfer the control signals. So other than that, there are three types of buses. That is the processor memory bus, connects CPU and memory, so no direct IO interface. So and the IO bus, it connects IO devices, no direct PM interface. So next, so the main again the it is classified into two types, that is synchronous bus and asynchronous bus. For synchronous bus, one of the device that is connected to the bus contains an oscillator, that is oscillator that sends a or that sends out a sequence of ones and zeros at time intervals. So next one is asynchronous bus. So if we replace the memory on a synchronous bus with a fast memory, then the memory access time will not improve because the bus clock is unchanged. If you increase the speed of the bus clock to match the faster speed of the memory, then slower devices that use a bus clock may not be work properly. So to the asynchronous bus solves this problem, but is more complex because there is no bus clock. So next we will discuss what is bus clocking. So bus clocking, for a synchronous bus, a clock signal is used to synchronize the bus operation. So this bus clocks is generally derived from the master system clock, but it may be slower than the master clock. uh, So, so overall, the bus clocking is faster in synchronous, but asynchronous unclocked. So, what are the major disadvantage of this is the multiplexed data address lines. So there are three control lines: processor drives address onto bus, so address request line; memory asserts acknowledge line; processor stops driving. So memory drives data on bus, asserts data ready line. So processor asserts acknowledge line, memory stops driving. So next we will move on to interface circuits. So here the address lines, data lines and control lines, that is address bus, data bus and control bus, are connected to address decoder, control circuits and data status register. And one end we have bus signals of address, data and control, and another end controls to transfer the data between the interface and IO devices. So far we discussed about what are the different types of buses and how the clocking is done in synchronous and asynchronous. So what is bus clocking, what is synchronous bus, and what is the asynchronous bus, and how clocking is connected and helps to transfer the data between the components. So thank you.